Fluffy, wispy rating, all about clouds. Hi there, sky gazers. I'm Professor Fizzlefox, and today we are floating up to the clouds to find out what they are really made of. Clouds might look like cotton candy, but they're actually made of tiny drops of water and ice crystals. Do you wonder how clouds are formed? Well, when warm air rises, it cools down and the water vapor in the air turns into droplets. All those little droplets stick together to make clouds. Amazing, right? Hey cool kids, can you guess how many magical types of clouds live in our big blue sky? There are three kinds of clouds: cumulus, stratus, and cirrus. Cumulus clouds, the puffy friend. It's fluffy and white, like marshmallows, drifting in the blue sky. Cumulus clouds love sunny days. Stratus clouds, the blanket buddies. It's flat and gray, covering the whole sky. They're spread out low. When you wake up to a gray sky with light rain, say hello to the stratus gang. Cirrus clouds, the feather flyers. Thin and wispy, high up like feathers. These clouds are made of tiny ice crystals and show up on sunny days. If you see cirrus clouds, it might mean the weather will soon change. Fancy, right? When clouds get full of too much water, boom! It rains, snows, or hails. Now it's quiz time. What are clouds made of? What do clouds do when they get too heavy? Great job, sky scientist! Keep looking up, cool kids. There is a whole sky of secrets waiting for you. Stay curious, stay clever. Until next time, bye bye.